Hey guys, it's Abby from Smartass Sass, and I'm here to show you what was in the March box. Before I do, I'll just mention that my surroundings are a little bit different today, and that's because, like most of you, we are isolating at this time, so I am shooting this at home. So if you see or hear one of our dogs, that's why. All right, so let's dig in. So the March box and subscription was themed Hot Mess Express. So every month you get this insert. It tells you everything that you're getting, who it came from, where you can find more of their stuff, how you can follow them on social, everything like that. And then it also tells you the next month's theme. So April's theme is domestic as hell. As of today, the 7th, we are almost sold out of the April box. So if you're seeing this on the 7th or possibly the 8th and you want to subscribe, do it as soon as possible. Otherwise, you can get on our wait list and we'll let you know when everything opens up for May. Okay, let's dive in. So the first item that I'm gonna show you guys are these socks. And these are from us, Smartass Sass. And they say, "Not today, Satan," on the sides. And they have this cute, colorful pattern. These socks are one size fits most, but it's a really open knit, and they have a, not an open knit, but a really stretchy knit. And so they have a lot of give. So they really do fit most sizes. Okay, next I'm gonna show you this kitchen item that we did this month. So it is a little wooden spoon, and it says, "I'm not a hot mess, I'm a spicy disaster." And it's dipped in red. It is about 8 inches in length, so it is somewhere between a normal utensil, like a normal size spoon, and a serving utensil, so it's kind of a unique and fun size. So there's that. Okay, next I'm gonna show you this item. So we worked with this company for an add-on, I believe it was May of 2019, but the add-on sold out in under a day. Everyone was obsessed with it, and so we are so excited to work with them again. But the company is called Pinch Me, and it is therapy dough. So we called this scent cheaper than therapy, but it's basically adult Play-Doh. So let me show you what it looks like. So it's the consistency of Play-Doh is the easiest way to describe it, I think, but it's infused with aromatherapy, and so it's actually calming and good for you. So the scents that are in this are cucumber and mint, and it is so delightful. The other day I was just walking around my house playing with it because it's so relaxing. So there's that, and then every order of the dough also comes with this little card from the company that talks about what you can do with it, a little bit more about the company and where they, projects that they support. So there you go. Next up, we have a candle from one of our favorites, Fun Club. This candle is called Chill Bitch. The scent is called Breathe Girl Damn. Soy wax, by the way, and it's 9 ounces. But let me grab the card and tell you the scents that are actually in it. So it's called, the mixture is called Bali, and the scents are citrus, mango, and sea salt. It is truly delightful. This is probably the last candle that we're gonna do for a while because things heat up in the summer and shipping gets a little tricky with candles, but definitely look for more in the fall. And for now, if you need one more candle, get this Chill Bitch candle. Okay, couple more things. So next I'm going to show you this sticker that we designed in-house. It says adulting, 1 out of 5 stars, would not recommend. And it has 1 star on the bottom. But the sticker part is just this word bubble. It is a vinyl matte sticker, so you can put it on your laptop or your water bottle, wherever, but it's pretty good size if that gives you any frame of reference. So there's the sticker. Every month we do a collectible item, so every subscriber, whether you get the box, the big box, or the shirt, gets this collectible item. So we've been doing pens for a while. This is our 5th pen, but this month says Overthinking is my jam. And it is a white Bic Click pen, which we always use in these collectibles because they're really good quality and I like the way they write. So, Bic Click pen. Okay, couple more. So now I'm going to show you this tea towel from Permas by Kathy. This is my favorite style of tea towel ever. It's a jacquard cotton, and it's really soft and flexible, but it's also really absorbent. And it says, "Not my circus, not my monkeys." So the entire towel folds out to be this full pattern, but if you fold it into thirds and then in half, this is the piece that's in the front. So if you're displaying it, that's in the front, but very cute. All right, one more item. So this very last item is another one that we made ourselves, and it is a tin, and it says, "I swear I have it all together, I just forgot where I put it." And it has this really colorful, basically our brand colors almost, all around, all on the bottom, but we just wanted a cute little container where you could store some fun things, some secret things, some candy from your children. So yeah, there's that. So those are all the items, and then as always we have the t-shirt, so you can subscribe to just the t-shirt, just the box, or both, which we call the big box. But this month's shirt says, "I came, I saw, I had anxiety, so I left." I feel this one. So the color of the shirt is like a really soft mint color. It's not very bright. It's pretty, you know, mild. And then the print is in white and black. The shirt that I have here is a 3X unisex. So we go from extra small to 3X in this unisex tee. As always, it's a soft blend. I love these shirts so much. So there's that design. So that was everything for the March subscription. Like I said, we have about a handful of the boxes left at the time that I'm recording this, but we do have some of the items left, so I'll link to those. If it's April 7th when you're watching this, you can subscribe still for April. Otherwise, you can get on the wait list for May or subscribe for May. Hit us up if you have any questions. Our email is info@smartassandsass.com. Thanks!